Okay. Hi guys. I am out here on like location at the Alameda Beach. We're staring at Bay Farm Island right over there. I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm starting a brand new company. It is going to be focused on small offerings to whomever. I'm going to ship far and wide with um, these goods. They are um, artistic needs, so it's going to be like a crafts slash um, whatever needs you can come up with. A lot of people enjoy sea moss. What natural sea moss we have here? I believe this is the red variety. It looks like it's red. Um, so we have all these different colors of sea moss, which you may or may not be aware of. If you're like me, you are probably not really that aware of that much about sea moss. However, I think my understanding is sort of in the middle of concerning sea moss. My store is going to be as vegan as possible. I'm not planning on doing anything with the animals at this point or any live animals. So the store's focus is mainly for crafting purposes as well as sea moss for your health. You can see it right here live in this video. The method in which I am planning to extract whatever sea moss is, it is direct ocean. So here I am doing it for you guys right now. I am going to grab a bunch like right here for you guys. This is what you're going to be getting. Oops, give me back my coffee. All right, so you're going to be getting um the this version right over here. It is looks like a brown sea moss. Um looks like a brown sea moss. Um Sea moss is very expensive, and usually when you're like getting it from the store, and so uh usually when you're getting it, so I'm just trying not to be interrupted or put anybody in my video, so I'm just walking off. um anyway, to about um back to about the actual things that I am pertaining to. um Driftwood is very cool and useful. Um, I whatever your imagination can come up with for that, and seashells. There are that's another item I'm going to be putting. Um, Orders are not going to exceed like something enormous like this. See this thing here, which would be driftwood. I've seen a lot of beautiful driftwood. Um, as well as if you were looking for some, I don't know, some sort of ferns, what you see here, like this. This video is just going to focus on, um, it's just going to focus on this beach in particular. There are a lot of beaches around here, and we can definitely work something out between me and the customers for whatever you are looking for as far as uh, which location you are desiring um, to have um, your item picked from. Right now, I am offering driftwood, right? So here's an example we have here. It is this right here. This would be kind of large, like in large size. However, if you just wanted like a particular piece or a slice of this, maybe half of it. I mean, I'm pretty sure that could be boxed and uh, or the whole thing. That's for artistic purposes or whatever you can think of, really. Um, we have another chunk right here, and we have something sort of like that. Um, what else would we have? Things that just naturally um, float up on the beach. Um, Naturally just float up along the beach. And that would be lots and lots of seashells. Um, that would be that, as well as there the ocean flowers, which I'm going to feature, and then uh, some other photos, which I'm going to have to take because that's they're just not blossoming. They're just not like at this like location. They might be a lot further down, and yeah, they might be a lot further down, but we're just gonna go up around and see if we can actually find any. But now you have like a good idea of what I am planning on uh, putting as an addition to my unique store. Um, Anything you can think of around here, and not a crazy excessive amount of it, can be taken and shipped to you for uh, the set price. Um, Even the ocean water itself is said to have medicinal properties and medicinal properties, um, of course. Um, so that is another option. My one of my flyers does mention that I can put some of the liquid for, let's say, if you ordered some sea moss and you were interested in having it extremely natural, no plastic contact. That is an option for my customers. I want to I want to add that in sort of your choice. I know there's a lot of different environmental and eco-friendly products so available for packaging, as far as packaging, and then we can always mark things as fragile if you have something, a need for um, fragility, sort of, if you are going to order a bottle, a pickle jar size of ocean liquid. That's your prerogative. Do whatever you want to do, um, for whatever sort of purpose you can think of, and go ahead and have fun with it. Don't be shy. Let me know what it is you are interested in. I do see a couple flowers up ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get them in this shot right here. Um, so I was gonna mention that yeah, as far as like the liquid from the ocean here, if you were going to order some sea moss and you just really wanted it as in its original liquid, a lot of people are doing sea moss, um, I guess from factories. Apparently there's some fake sea moss, but I guess most people would be very happy to have factory made sea moss in a container, in a containment, which would probably, I think I was reading that it loses a lot of its health benefits and a lot of its natural abilities. It's not really sea moss anymore. So if you're looking for a distributor, I am your person. Um, uh, I can also put your items in the original ocean water. That is an option you are getting. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and uh, enjoy the rest of this. I'm going to add a lot of other shots of the rest of the items with the um, with the rest of the video. And I thank you guys. I appreciate you for tuning in and everything like that. Thank you.